Hi everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz, Jack's behind the camera. I don't know why he waved at me. But today we're going to do the cheapest of cheap, the best of the best. And more American thing than anything else, people are willing to fight on social media over this. Let's talk grilled cheese. Alright, so this is very basic. You got like 3 ingredients. You got bread, like 88 cents a loaf, that's 2 slices per sandwich. Cheese, you can use any kind of different cheese, American cheese, whatever. We got 3 different kinds because there's 3 different people here. You can always get the shitty, shiny, yellow cheese, whatever. You're going to need some butter, not the whole thing. You're going to maybe use a tablespoon of it. So, again, 2 slices of bread per. If you don't know a sandwich is 2 slices of bread, I don't know.
I don't think we can help you.
We're here for some people with decent talent. So, once you get the paper off your butter, get your old hot dog knife there, and then just gently put the butter on it. And okay, don't let the butter show you who's boss. Just get in there and mash it into the bread. Come over here, show it what's going on. Aha! And get all the butter on there. Yeah, stupid. All right, so then you got your cheese. That doesn't. All right, just get the plastic off. Don't leave the plastic on. Number 1 rule of grilled cheese: don't leave the plastic on the cheese. Son of a bitch.
It just doesn't want to work with you, does it?
Just get the plastic off the cheese, and you're good. Okay, get it on there. And that's all you need. You got at least 2 slices, right? Because you don't want to do one, because just 1 slice of cheese is sad.
Yeah, 2 is like the bare minimum.
So now we got our 3 sandwiches all buttered up and ready to go. And just because I'm tired of just the taste of cheese, I got these spice things you can use. You can use any kind of spice if you're feeling up to it or you have it. Just put it on the cheese there. Some people don't. Some people say it's blasphemy. It's what I do. So again, get your fire to about medium high. You don't want it too high or the cheese won't melt, and if it's too low, it just takes forever. Alright, so while that's heating up, before we throw our bread and cheese in, I'm going to tell you this. While I was buying the stuff at the store, it's just a bunch of cheese, and the cashier looked at all the cheese, and actually I caught him like glaring at the cheese and then looking at my stomach. Okay, yeah, I'm a fat guy, I get that, but as somebody who's struggling, counting my pennies, making it paycheck to paycheck, got to worry about where my next meal's coming from or whatever. I have other things to worry about other than what people think of me as I'm buying food. So I thought back on what my mother would say in situations like this. If somebody's judging you for your figure, your body, and you got other stuff going on, she would look at me and say, fuck them. Alright, so once you get your skillet up to warm, alright, put your bread in, butter down, layer that cheese in there, and put your other bread on top. And if you only got that, that's fine, right? If you got a small skillet, that's good. If you got a little bigger, you can always kind of risk putting more in it. I saw a guy that had a skillet that had it big enough for like 4 of those things. Some people have tried to bake it. I don't trust that at all.
If you're desperate, you could get away with microwaving, believe it or not.
Right.
Don't recommend it, but
Soggy
you can.
bread. So if your skillet's big enough like ours, you can do 2 at a time, which is fine. I think we did, pepper jack?
Pepper jack and
one?
Swiss?
It was on the 3rd one. Yeah, we did
Swiss
on the 3rd
American on the 2nd? Or?
No, the first one was straight up American cheese. I don't do a lot of American cheese, so the Swiss stuff was mine. So you got to come in here, rate a naughty a G, hope it doesn't stick together, flip it over. You can see that light brown, right? That's how as much as I like it, as long as the cheese is melted all the way through, because nothing is worse than having like a low fire where the cheese is melted on the outside and like solid and
still
cold
solid
in the
and
middle.
cold in the middle.
Yeah, you see that second one that's a little darker brown. That's beautiful brown. That's perfect for what you're talking about, right?
I'd give that a 4 out of 5. Like world of grilled cheese sandwiches.
If there was ever a grilled cheese championship, I'd be getting it. You take it, flip it out, pull it out, put it in a thing. Right? You just serve it on bread. A lot of people take like tomato soup and stuff. Put it.
Yeah.
But there you have it. Real easy grilled cheese, as good as you can get it. It was, I think, all total like $3.
$3 and some change.
And you can feed as many people as you have half as many slices of cheese. So it's like 2 per. And so that's easy enough. Well, there we go. Thank you for joining us on Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. We'll see you next week. We do these videos every Tuesday and Friday. You can find us on social media at Living Between, or on Instagram, or on Facebook, Living Between Paycheck's Kitchen, easy to find us. Also, while you're here, like, share, subscribe, push the little bell notification, when these things pop up, Tuesdays and Fridays. And share, like us, please, like us. The more you do that, the more we can get this done. Thanks.